Hey guys, what's up? This is like a video. I haven't been doing a video in a while. That's purely because I've been browsing around, subscribing to loads of people. I subscribe to the second and third most subscribed person on YouTube. Yeah, Mr. Ray William Johnson, or see, that's to put it, equals 3. That was 4, but hey. Yeah, he's pretty awesome. And Mr. Shane Dawson, who creating character-wise is genius. Other stuff, as you will have discovered in the title sequence, which is either way, I don't know. Yes, I've discovered sound effects. Woo! Free downloads! I love a free download. Who doesn't love a free download? Do you love a free download? Question of the day. Leave responses in the comments section. Yes. You may be hearing, as I promised in the first one, I wasn't going to do any explosions, but now I have sound effects. So expect some explosions, some like gunfire. Okay, put it down. No, you think I'm just put it down. Okay, that's happened twice now. Put it down. That was nearly too graphic to put on YouTube. Okay, down. Yeah. Sorry. So yes, next video I will be doing something with some friends of mine. They are going to be called the Rozzers. They don't actually have a YouTube channel yet, but they should be funny. It's a good staring contest. 3 guys in the middle of the woods. Similar plot to some other films, but still should be fun. It's like my first major comedy sketch thingy. So hopefully that'll be good. You guys like my last video? Vlogs aren't easy. 93 views, which is big for me, considering I've only got 3 videos, and you know, I'm kind of me. Not too sure 93 people really want to look at me. That's a bit disgusting. Right, this is going on for quite some time, so I'm going to have to love you and leave you. If, okay, you have any suggestions for any movies, message me, comment section below, like it, share it, subscribe to my channel, because, you know, partially because I'm awesome, partially because you love me, partially because I love you. Okay, curse the milk, people. Curse the milk.
Smile.